everyone, I'm Jacob. I have arrived at Nansha Ancient Village in Chasan Town. This village has a history of over 800 years and is undoubtedly a cultural treasure of Dongguan City. Here you can personally experience the real intangible culture. So why don't you follow me and together we explore the cultural treasure of this place. Let's go. The facial expressions of these dolls are truly lifelike, and every detail is so vivid. I think that people who make it must have superb and profound skills. 老师，可以欣赏？
可以啊，我们去体验一下。
Gong is a traditional art and craft unique to Chasan Town of Dongguan City. It was recognized as a provincial intangible cultural heritage in 2018. The production process incorporates ancient Chinese calligraphy and painting techniques, making it of high artistic appreciation value. Very beautiful. Thank you, teacher. Besides, there are also many intangible cultural heritages in Chasan Town, such as Chasan dolls, Chasan sausages, and so on. Each of these contains deep meanings and interesting stories, leaving people with endless memories. The Chasan Garden Party integrates folk literature, performing arts, and traditional skills. This unique festival is beloved by local residents and has become a platform for displaying intangible cultural heritage of Dongguan. Today, the Chasan Garden Party left a deep impression on me. The exciting parade and fantastic intangible cultural heritage experience made me feel the charm and traditional culture in every moment. If you are also interested in activities, then bring your family and friends. I guarantee you will love it.